Hello everybody, it's a beautiful day out here today. I have finally found my childhood fan. Though it's slightly newer, it's exactly like the one in my bedroom was. Well, same color and all. It's like the blades are about to flop off. I will be putting standard C brackets on it, but other than that, it's the same fan. Alright, it's a little while later. I got the original home, and it is in really good shape. I cleaned that shaft up a little bit. Cleaned this rotor slash flywheel up a little bit. It's in pretty good shape. Now this is what really surprised me. That's as is found. As found. That is clean. I don't even have to do anything to that. So that's a bonus. And there's the canopy and the lower cover all cleaned up. So now I'm going to reassemble it. Oh yes, the bearings are clean as well, and they're the better pure FBN ones from Japan. The real nice smooth running ones. So now it's time to reassemble this. Alright, it's all back together and cleaned up. It's got some oil in it, and I'm just running it at a slow RPM to kind of get everything broke back in. So we're running it on low speed, about 65 volts, 70 volts I mean, beg my pardon. And the next step on this is working on the light kit. But here's the blades. I don't know if I showed them earlier. It looks as if this fan saw very little use. Now, these things are in near mint condition. The only problem is right there. It's got a little rubbage off of something, but since these are in such good shape, I can go to the paint store and get some paint matched for touch-up. That way I can get that on the down rod. It's got a little spot on it that's scratched. But man, this thing's, whoever had it really took care of it. It's in really nice shape. There's what the bottom plate looks like. And shoot, for 20 bucks, can't ask for anything better than this. That's just cleaning up, and it looks that nice. Here's a look at the data tag. It is a 22297 22297-503, February of 1982. Robbins and Myers, Hunter, Memphis, Tennessee, 60 hertz, 1.2 amps. Alright, I'm in the process of rebuilding this light kit for my 82 Wyatt original. I'm going to go back with the Hunter style light kit. This is what was in it. And that piece broke off that tightens everything up to the light kit housing, so I don't know where I'd find that switch. So this is the easier alternative. This is the light kit socket from the 84 Hunter original in my bedroom, and it's really oil soaked and smells really bad. So I got a fresh socket here, identical, besides the color of the pull cord, and I will be replacing that. It'll go in here and I've got the soldering iron heating up to tin the wire leads before I mount them on the screws. Okay, the wires are attached to the socket. Now I will reassemble this into the light kit. Okay, the light kit has successfully been rebuilt. And here it is installed on the fan. It does work. And of course the globe needs a little cleaning up, but I think it'll be alright. I'd kind of prefer to have the white glass. I think it'd look a little better, but that's what I have to work with, so that's what I've got for now.